Hey guys, in my last video I showed you guys my new wok for the first time, and in the comments several people said they wanted to see how I cooked a whole chicken in it. So let's get walking. I have a 4.5 pound organic chicken here. This was $2.99 a pound, so this chicken was $3.43. So I'm just going to open it up and rinse it off, and then I'm just going to season it with some salt and pepper. I don't want to use any seasonings with sugar in it because since I'm cooking it directly over the heat, I think that the sugar might burn. My chicken fits perfectly in the wok. Now we'll get the stove lit, and I'm going to keep the heat, I'm going to say sort of medium to medium low. I'll just kind of keep an eye on it and see how it does, and I'll probably turn it several times while it's cooking. So I'll just get the lid on there. The lid fits perfectly on there. I'll let that go for a few minutes and then we'll come back and check on it. It's been about 12 minutes and I'm starting to see a little bit of smoke. So I'm going to check on this and maybe flip it over here. Okay, that looks pretty good. We'll let it cook in that position for a little bit now. It's been about 10 more minutes, so 22 minutes total. Let's see how it's doing here. I'm wondering if I can turn it on its side. I don't think it'll stay on its side, so I'm just going to put the lid on that way again and let it go a while longer. It's been about 50 minutes, and I've flipped this over several times, so I want to see what the internal temperature is now. 165 degrees Fahrenheit is what we're looking for. It's 166, so I'm just going to shut that off right there. So I'd say I turned that over probably 5 or 6 times. Every time it would start smoking quite a bit, I would flip it over. I was afraid it would burn, if I left it in one spot for too long, and it worked out pretty good. This sure looks good. It cooked in 50 minutes and it's been resting here for about 20 minutes. So let's see here. See how it looks. Wing comes right off of there. Let's see how this leg looks. Nice and juicy. Heck yeah. Alright, and then we'll cut into the breast there. See how that looks. See if it's dry or juicy. Well, yeah, it looks pretty juicy. Not bad. Let's try a bite of that. That turned out really good. Really nice flavor. You kind of get a little bit of a smoky flavor in the wok. I hear Annie's nails clicking the floor over here. I guess we better let her try it out here. Want to taste, Annie? Inhaled. That turned out really good. Better than the first chicken I cooked in it. It's because I left the heat up higher, so it got a crispier skin, and also it smoked a little more, so the chicken has a little more of a smoky flavor, and it was cooked through. There was no raw spots or rare spots in anywhere. It was perfectly cooked in my opinion, so I'll put the link to Amazon for that wok if anybody wants to take a look at that. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.